In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate images into video using Dola AI. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open your app, then you want to go to the bottom middle, and you want to tap on Create, where you can see the plus button. Now, from here, as you can see up top, there's image and video. Of course, to animate images into videos, you first must have an image. So I do have some images already, therefore I don't have to create them over here, but if you want to know how to create them inside Dola AI, I do have a separate video teaching you exactly that. Now I'm going to tap on video up top, and then from here I'm going to add a reference image by tapping on the reference. Now whenever you do this here, you can of course select your image. I'm just going to tap the first one, the image of a dog, top right, and of course you could do multiple as well, and I'm going to just tap on next at the bottom right. Now to actually animate images into video, you want to add a reference as I showed you, then you want to select your model over here and the duration you want. So I want 5 seconds, and then you want to describe the video you want. So I'm going to type in animate the video to where the dog is playing with his red ball, and that's it. Okay, so we're going to leave it like this. Of course, I could go and type in, for example, another dog would arrive and then they play together, whatever. Of course, you can do literally whatever, and of course it's going to create it for you. So I'm just going to tap on the button, the arrow up, the blue one, and there we go. It's going to start generating that specific video. So as you can see, it's going to take about 1 to 3 minutes, and whenever that's done, I'll come back to you and show you the final result. There we go, so the video has been generated, and as you can see, it's exactly what I requested. It is a dog playing with its red ball over here on some grass, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.